Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and doing practical of the programs that we have just discussed regularly and making notes also as well. And also go through the back exercise of the chapters which are solved. Unsolved, we are taking side by side in the form of assignments also. Okay, so please be in touch regularly so that whatever has been taught or will be taught should be taken up that time only. Let us start our next topic, that is your insertion sort of chapter 2. This is the last topic of your chapter. After that your chapter will be complete. Okay, and I hope you all are doing the practice of practicals on your laptops or desktops. Please be regular about it, otherwise there is no benefit of teaching. Okay, and the notes of this insertion sort and this bubble sort that we read yesterday are to be prepared, are to be copied down from my notes in your notebook. It is compulsory for all. Okay, please note down the notes that I have provided in your fair notebook along with your notes of the chapter. Okay, now insertion sort, actually this will be your program. I'll be discussing little bit of theory also. So this will be your main program. Firstly, you will be initializing the list on which you want to implement the insertion sort. Fine. So let me begin with the theory first. Actually, it is a sorting algorithm that builds a sorted list one element at a time from the unsorted list by inserting the element as its correct position in the sorted list. Actually, what happens in this sorting, we will be making two types of uh, arrangements here. One will be the sorted list, one another will be the unsorted list. Whatever will be sorted we will be keeping at the left position of the list, and rest part will be unsorted, which will be towards the right of the list. Okay, so what we'll be doing, initially we will assume the first element that it is sorted, and then we will compare that sorted element with the next element, very first element of the list, and we will compare, and if on comparing we find that the element which is on the right side, means very first element of the unsorted part, is less, then it should be shifted towards the left in the array, sorry, list. Okay, see, actually this way it will be little difficult for you. Let us take an example. This is the list. Okay, firstly I'll assume this first element is sorted itself. If we don't have any other element, we'll say it is sorted, that's fine. So we'll assume this is sorted and this whole is unsorted. So what we will do, we are assuming this is sorted, so this is sorted part, this all is unsorted part. So what we have to do, we have to pick the first element of the unsorted array and we have to compare it with the sorted list. Okay, we have to compare unsorted part with the sorted part of the list. Okay, so first element we have to take always of the unsorted part, and we have to compare this first element from the backward direction of the sorted part. So we'll compare 12 with 15. We find that 12 is less than 15, so it should come here and it should come here. So why it should come here? Because we will be arranging the list in ascending order. So for ascending order, the smallest number should always be at the first place. So when we are comparing these two numbers, we will find that 12 is smaller, then it should come here, and 15 should come here. Okay, next we will say, then if 12 will come here and 15 will come here, now we will say these two are sorted and rest this is unsorted. Now what we will do, we will take the first element of the list, unsorted list, and compare it with the last element of your sorted list. Okay, now you will compare 14 and 15 together and you will find ki 14 is less. If it is less, then it should come here and 15 should come here. So we will do interchanging of it. So this way we will proceed. So there will be two parts of this list. One will be sorted list and another one will be the unsorted list. Okay, so unsorted list will be taking up one element at a time and then we'll compare that particular element with the sorted part of the list. Okay, in this way we will go on. Let us come back to the theory part. It is a sorting algorithm that builds a sorted array, sorted list. Your sorted list will be formed one element at a time. Okay, one element will get added to the sorted list. From where this one element will come? This will come from the unsorted list. Okay, by inserting the element at its correct position in the sorted list. So you will pick one element from the unsorted list and then you will compare that unsorted list with the sorted list and you will put the specific element at the right position in the sorted list. Okay, sorted list will always be sorted. Okay, that will not be like an element is lying where it should not be. Okay, so there are two parts, sorted and unsorted part. So you will pick an element, one element at a time from the unsorted, that will be called as key. Whatever element, whichever element we are picking up from the unsorted part, first element will be picking up actually unsorted का जो पहला element होगा उसी को ही हमेशा हम pick करेंगे और उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, key. Okay, then we'll compare with each element of the sorted. तो sorted में उसको हम हर एक element के साथ compare करेंगे. Okay, so that the sorted list will be in the form of sorted manner only. Okay, if we are picking this 14, यहाँ से ये sorted हो गए, 12 और 15 sorted हो गए. Now we have to take this unsorted first element and we will compare इन दोनों से. पहले 15 से compare करेंगे, then we'll find कि 14 is less, so it should come here, 15 should come here. Then we'll compare 14 with 12 also, कि कहीं ये इससे भी कम है तो इसको हम इससे भी आगे रखें, right? So let us come back. There will be two conditions when you are, see, you need to take the key and you need to compare it with the sorted element. Okay, you will take this key, let us say initially this is the key, this is unsorted. Unsorted का पहला element will be known as key. So this key is to be compared with sorted. So in this, एक सबसे important चीज़ that you should note down is we will move in this direction also and we will move in this direction also. Okay, we will pick one element from this unsorted and we'll compare with each element of the sorted, so that this whatever element has been picked up from the unsorted may be set at the right position in the sorted array. Okay, हम आगे भी चलेंगे और पीछे भी चलेंगे. एक एलिमेंट आगे से उठाएंगे और उसको पीछे वाले जितने भी सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट्स हैं उनमें कंपेयर करके उसकी राइट पोजीशन पे उसको रख देंगे. आई होप यू ऑल आर गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. So what is to be compared? What once again you see, key is to be compared with the sorted element. Okay, and अगर ये की हमारी छोटी होती है sorted element से तो हम क्या करते हैं, इस की को हम क्या कर देते हैं, लेफ्ट शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. या मैं ये कहूँ जो हमारा sorted element होता है, sorted list में जो sorted element होता है उसको हम राइट शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. अगर हमारी की छोटी होती है sorted element से तो हम क्या करते हैं, इस सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट को राइट शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. यानी कि सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट कहाँ है, अभी a ऑफ 0 पे है, हम इसको कहाँ ले आएंगे, a ऑफ 1 पे ले आएंगे. सो एंड फिर फर्दर हम इसका कंपैरिजन आगे वाले से भी करेंगे. फाइन, लेट अस कम बैक नाउ. इफ की इज लेस देन द सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट तो हम क्या करेंगे, राइट शिफ्ट द सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट. अभी बताया आपको मैंने, इफ ये 12 इज लेस देन 15 की, दिस इज द की कौन सी होती है, अनसॉर्टेड वाली, उसका फर्स्ट एलिमेंट हमेशा की होता है. ओके, अगर ये की हमारी छोटी है इस सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट से तो हम ये जो सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट है इसको राइट शिफ्ट कर देंगे. आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर. और अगर ऐसा नहीं है, अगर की हमारी बड़ी है सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट से तो हम क्या कर देते हैं, प्लेस इट ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट. इसका मतलब क्या है, अगर वो की बड़ी नहीं है, मतलब ये की बड़ी है, की छोटी होगी तो इसको यहाँ पे ले आएंगे. ओके, अगर ये की हमारी बड़ी होगी इससे, मान लो ये 16 होता तो 15 16 50 हम कंपेयर करते हैं, 16 इज लेस देन 15, 16 इज नॉट लेस देन 15, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये ऑलरेडी राइट पोजीशन पे है, तो 15 यहीं आना चाहिए और 16 यहीं आना चाहिए। लेकिन अगर कुछ भी 15 से कम है तो वो इससे पहले आना चाहिए। आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर। दोबारा बोल रही हूँ, अगर यहाँ पे एक नंबर है लाइक यहाँ पे 16 है 12 ना होकर, तो 16 को जब हम 15 से कंपेयर करेंगे तो इसकी सॉर्टिंग होनी चाहिए। 15 16 इज़ द राइट ऑर्डर, सो देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी सॉर्टिंग, तो वो वहीं रहेगा, उसको उसके राइट में ही रख दो, सॉर्टेड के राइट में रख देंगे और वो राइट में ही होता है ऑलरेडी, ठीक है। लेकिन अगर ये की जो होती है हमारी छोटी होती है इस सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट से, तो ये सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट को हम राइट शिफ्ट कर देते हैं। फाइन, सो लेट अस सी इट अगेन। इफ की इज ग्रेटर देन द सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट, बड़ी है सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट से, तो प्लेस इट ऑन द राइट ऑफ द सॉर्टेड एलिमेंट। विल कंटिन्यू द एग्जाम्पल इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। थैंक यू।